Right, so we're doing our battery on our main ML class vehicle. Going to pop off that. They absolutely destroyed that one. That's supposed to be flat. So move your carpet out of the way. Do make sure that you have your passenger side seat all the way forward, all the way up. If you need to hook up some jumper cables, do that, because you will need to have power in order to do so. All right, remove that cover right there. This will pop up. There's a trim clip back here, but I can usually pop out this whole assembly like yay. Walk the whole thing out. Going back in is a little different. All right, down there, 13 there, and 13 down there. You'll need a 1/4 inch with an extension, probably about 6 inches plus. You'll take those two 13s out, and then there's a bar that holds the battery itself in place. This is a 10. Disconnect your vent hose. Disconnect your battery sensor right here. Your positive is up here. The bolt is facing towards you, so if you use that same extension, you can get to it right here. A couple of turns, pop it off, pop this off. This cable right here for the negative side will move all the way over here, so you have plenty of room. So when you do so, when you disconnect your sensor, tuck it away, this whole cable will move up and out of the way. Getting the battery out is the fun part, because where this thing is currently located at. There's not a whole lot of room. You can get things in there. You don't want to get your hand underneath there. These are heavy batteries. So what I use is I get a pry bar, put the pry bar right here. I lift it up. I then can reach my hand up underneath, lift it up even higher, put the pry bar underneath to hold it still, and then I have a battery claw, which they use for like transporting batteries around. I grab it from the side here and pull it out into the back seat area. That's the easiest way I've found to do these. You can do this yourself, but these batteries are pretty damn heavy, and you just need to be careful not to smash some fingers and things going back in or in the removal process. So same way, going back in, a little trim clip right here. I'm going to pop it out. This bottom cover piece will slide right in, and then this will go into an air duct that you can't see that's over here. It'll pop in, push pin it in, and reassemble everything back. There is no learning process on these like on a BMW, so this will be just a pop it in and drive away. So that's it for the main battery. Next thing I'll be showing you is the auxiliary battery.